Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to talk about EIDL loans. So those are the economic injury disaster loans. These are the loans you applied for directly with the SBA. If you got one, there is some news, and this last week was a kind of a big week for this loan program. So the SBA has decided that they will be extending the amount that you can get in an EIDL loan up to $500,000. That will be the cap. Now, they determine what your cap will be, but the previous cap was $150,000, and so now they are raising it up to $500,000. Basically, the announcement from the SBA just said, hey, we recognize that small businesses still need more time to rebuild. We believe that extending this program will be helpful to small businesses. So they also said if you already have a loan that you don't need to reach out to the SBA, that you will actually be contacted. So wait for an email directly from the SBA that will notify you if you are eligible for an increase. So that is something you need to be watching out for if you are interested in an increase of your EIDL loan, and you might be eligible for up to $500,000. So I wanted to let you guys know about that. The second thing with EIDL that I wanted to mention is that they are now deferring the payments. If you remember that when the program first came out, we were deferring payments for a year. So that with this announcement, they also said they're going to be deferring payments for another year. So we actually have 24 months of where you do not have to make any payments on your EIDL loan. Now remember, interest is still accruing during this time, which accruing means, if you're not familiar with that term, it means that you're still getting charged interest. It's just being added to your loan balance. So if your interest was $100 a month, that's being added to your loan balance, and eventually you'll have to pay all of that off. Okay, so I wanted to let you guys know about that. Now, this deferment is a really big deal for a lot of people who may not be quite ready to start paying back these EIDL loans. So keep that in mind. If you have the cash, again, my recommendation is always to go ahead and start repaying the loan. But if you are in a situation where it would really be helpful for you to defer those payments, you can. All right, so I wanted to let you guys know about that because that's a pretty big deal. I will also update my spreadsheet. You guys, some of you may have gotten my spreadsheet to help calculate how much interest you'll get charged in the EIDL loan, basically what that accrued amount looks like. So it won't be precise because they're gonna have to change the loan payment amounts, but it'll at least give you a good idea of sort of what you're looking at for interest if you decide to defer for another year. All right, well, that's a short and sweet one. I just wanted to let you guys know those two big things that you might be able to take advantage of when it comes to your economic injury disaster loans. Just a reminder, these are not the forgivable loans. Those are the PPP ones. I just always want to make that clear when we're talking about the two programs. This is the loan directly with the SBA, and we're talking about the actual loan, not the advance, not the PPP, okay? This is the loan that you need to pay back. All right, so hope that's super helpful. Please make sure you're subscribed to the channel if you aren't already. And remember to grab your spreadsheet. The link to grab that is in the description box below. Thanks, guys. Bye.